Hi, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make vanilla wafers. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 egg, 1½ cups of flour, 2/3 cups of sugar, a ½ cup of softened butter, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of cream, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll make our dough. We'll cream together our ½ cup of softened butter and 2/3 cups of sugar. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a stand mixer with the paddle attachment at low speed. Once our butter and sugar are creamed, we'll add our egg, tablespoon of vanilla extract, and tablespoon of cream, and continue mixing on low speed until well combined. After mixing our wet ingredients, we'll whisk together our 1½ cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt in a medium bowl. Then we'll add about half of our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients and stir it in slightly with a spatula before continuing to mix on low. Once combined, we'll add the remainder of our dry ingredients, stir it in, and mix until smooth. Once our dough is finished, we'll take 1 to 1½ teaspoons of it and roll it into small balls with floured hands. We'll space these about 2 inches apart on a silicone-lined baking sheet. I'll be using a melon baller to help me scoop the correct amount. To reduce the amount of dough that sticks to my melon baller, I'm going to dip it in cool water between each wafer. Once our baking sheet is full, we'll flour our fingertips and gently flatten the top of each wafer. Once we've prepared our pans, we'll bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, or until the cookies are golden brown around the edges. When our wafers are done, we'll let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack to cool completely. We can serve these as is, or use them in another recipe, like banana pudding. I'll be using mine next week to make bourbon balls. This recipe will make approximately 3 dozen vanilla wafers. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.